Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright series. Today's topic is what is Playwright and why modern teams prefer it. Playwright is an open source browser automation tool developed by Microsoft. It is designed specifically for automating modern web applications. Playwright supports Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit using a single API. The biggest problem in automation today is flaky tests. Most flaky tests happen because of synchronization issues. In Selenium, we manually add weights and conditions. If weights are wrong, tests fail intermittently. So, Playwright handles weights automatically. Playwright waits for elements to be visible, enabled, and ready. Because of this, tests are more stable. Another reason modern teams prefer Playwright is isolation. Each test runs in separate browser context. This avoids session and data conflicts. Selenium waits when we tell it. Playwright waits when the browser is ready. Here in the sample script, if you see, I am launching the browser using Playwright. This is a real Cogmento CRM application. If you see, I did not add any weights. The page loads smoothly. So let me run, then we will see how application is working. If you see, first I am trying to open Chrome browser, launch the application, print the title. As we seen how in the previous video. So if you see, opening Cogmento CRM, title is free CRM. So we printed the title. Now I will close the application. So let me recap. Modern applications need modern automation tools. That's why teams are moving from Selenium to Playwright. Auto waiting is the reason Playwright is stable.